Some platforms panic when markets get busy. IC Markets? That's when it stretches. IC Markets is built on infrastructure designed to handle sustained high trading volumes, which means it stays calm even when the market decides to get loud. High volume, constant activity, non-stop trades. The system is designed to keep things running smoothly without breaking a sweat. No hesitation, no slowdown vibes, just steady performance doing exactly what it's meant to do. This kind of setup matters because active markets don't wait, and neither should your platform. IC Markets is structured to support heavy trading flow while keeping execution feeling clean and controlled. Whether volume spikes or stays intense all day, the infrastructure is ready, quietly handling the pressure in the background. IC Markets proves that when trading activity goes into overdrive, the platform shouldn't. Because real performance isn't about flashy features. It's about holding strong when volume shows up uninvited.